In this video, I'm going to show you how to change around your personal data and how to change your username and your password. But before I do, let me explain why it's so important to have your personal data stored inside of your tab here that I show you in a minute, and then how to use that across all of your websites, your campaigns, and stuff like that with merge fields. So when you change something like your phone number or maybe the company that you work for, all you have to do is change it one time and it automatically propagates across all of your lead capture websites, including your email campaigns that go out to customers. Because think of it this way, let's say you changed your phone number and you had your phone number on 10 different pages on your lead capture websites. Let's just say your thank you page. Somebody gets to the thank you page and your phone number has changed and you didn't update it on one of the pages and they call it and they can't reach you, you have the possibility to lose business. So that's why we use something called merge fields. So let me show you what merge fields are really quick. I'm going to go to web forms, or not web forms, website management. I'm going to actually just go to the website pages and click on, let's say, let me open one of the pages up really quick. You see we're using Remax Realty, Remax.com, and we're using this phone number. Well, if I click on this thank you page on the edit area, you'll see where I'm actually using merge fields. And merge fields are explained right here, what merge fields are available for you and what they actually do. And when you use them, you probably just want to grab them, copy and paste them into your website. But these are the merge fields that are used, for an example, for this particular page. Now let me show you what happens when I change my personal data around. So I'm going to go to Home, I'm going to go to Personal Data tab, and just click on this Change Your Personal and Payment Data. There's two different areas where you can change data. You have the billing data, which is a separate secure login to a area where you can change that. And that's stuff to change like your credit card. You just click here. There's a separate video about that. But what I want to show you is how to change your personal data that updates your lead capture websites and all of your campaigns. So for example, we have this is a phone number, this address, stuff like that. What you actually want to do is click on your first name. This is actually a link, so I'm going to click on that, and I'll come back and show you how to change your password and stuff like that. That's really easy. But let's just say I wanted to change my company name for the company that I work from to KW, right? For KellerWilliams.com, or for Keller Williams, sorry. And then I want to change my email or my website to KW.com. Now, of course, this would be your personal information, but or your personal email website, but I'm just using KW as an example. And then you change your phone number to 987, dash 6543. Just making up an example, and you move to Schmotown or whatever it is. So I'm just going to type in something right here, even though it's completely wrong. It's just a reference point. Okay, so I hit save on that. I want to save that. And then when I go and update my website, I don't change anything on this page here. And I refresh this, watch what happens. Okay, it's still rendering. For some reason, it's taking a little longer. Okay, so it just updated. It changed this to KW Realty. It changed my phone number. And it changed the link. So if I click on that link, it's going to go to a different website than Remax Realty. So that's how easy it is to change around your personal data, and it's really nice to use those merge fields on your website, which the merge fields are all right here on your website pages, and use them in your campaigns. So if you change something like your phone number, you don't have to go and modify all of your websites and all of your campaigns. So you can change stuff like your phone number, your city, your location, your URL. This would be the URL to your main real estate website, the company that you work for. And then also let me explain your email settings. So your email settings, how it works is by default the email address that you registered with is going to get notified anytime leads fill out web forms or we update or add websites to the lead capture website system. So if you want to notify somebody, let's say like an assistant, or you change your email address, well, you could type in your email address right here, or your assistant's email address. Let's just say this was test@email.com or Gmail. And I wanted to send test@gmail.com all of the leads. Well, if I want to do that and I wanted to send it to my main email address as well, just check this checkbox. If you want to send it to just your assistant or just to this new email address, leave this checkbox unchecked. But let's just say you had assistant and you to get the leads, check both of those and you're both going to get the leads. You can also change your footer information for your the footer of your websites. There's a separate video that kind of talks about that. But if you want to use merge fields, I kind of recommend you leave this in place and not mess with that if you like what is already currently down there. And then the last thing you want to do is if you want to change your username, you can just change this right here. You can change your password. Let me just test something out really quick. Let's say test 3244 and save that. I'm not going to change the password because I just don't want to do that right now. But if I change that, let me just refresh this, see if it makes it. I'm wondering if it's going to change this top title tag, which you see is test 2. I don't think so. Let me just wait till this refreshes. There we go. Let me refresh over here. No, it doesn't. Okay, so that's how you change your username. I'm going to change it back to test 2 because that's what the login is that I remember. So that's how you change your personal data. You change your password, you can change your username, and you can change your information so they're changed anytime somebody updates one of these. Anytime you update your information, it's updated across all of your merge fields. So I hope that that makes sense. If you have any questions, you can always contact support and they will be happy to help you. Have a good day.